Hey guys, so first I am starting out with MINTEA, and I am just placing this all over my crease. Next, I am just dipping my brush into the shade Blue Blood. These eyeshadows are so friggin' pigmented and delicious and beautiful. I am so obsessed with Jeffree Star eyeshadows. Next, I am just dipping into the shade Blue Monday. This is just like a really deep indigo shade. Yeah, totally out of my comfort zone, but I do love playing around with color, and I honestly used to be like really horrible at like blue eyeshadow looks just because, I don't know, I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't really know how and like which colors to blend together. It just takes like lots of practice, but I freaking love how this look turned out. I really love that I added that darker deep indigo shade Blue Monday. That really just gave the look so much dimension and depth and oomph, and oh my god, I love this look so much. Right here, I am just using some of my Milk Makeup Concealer in Porcelain, I believe, and yeah, I'm just patting that out. I do want it to be very bright on like the inner half of my eye, so that's why I did that. So next, I just dipped into the shade Entitled, and yes, I was just so obsessed with this shade when I first got the palette. I'm always looking for a beautiful, like, I don't even know, turquoise color, shimmery color. Oh, it's so pretty. So guys, next I just dipped into the shade Power, and I thought that would be really beautiful to smudge out on my lower lash line, so that's what I did. This shade is really perfect for these blue colors, so I love that all of these shadows work so nicely together. For eyeliner, I used the Milk Makeup eye pencil in the shade Boss. I have been loving that lately. For lashes, I am just using the Ardell DEMI Wispies along with the Tarte lash glue. So next I am just using my Melt Cosmetics blush in the shade CALI Dream. This blush is honestly so good. I highly recommend it if you have like olive skin like me. And for lip liner, I am just using the KYLIE Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Candy K. For liquid lipstick, I am using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Can't Relate. And to top it all off, I am using the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Honey I'm Home. This stuff is honestly so underrated, and I'm literally obsessed with it like every time I use it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!